It's really impactful to see how what we do helps them to move forward in their lives and to go back to their regular lives.
Truly how the work that goes on here impacts people and their lives, and just the change that even I as an intern could make in their lives.
Welcome to the Rossen Law Firm Summer Internship Program. It's structured. We have a curriculum. We have guest speakers from all across the United States and international. And I really wanted to be able to show the impact that the Rossen Law Firm that we have on our community and our clients through criminal defense and criminal justice.
Being an RLF intern gave me the opportunity to meet not only different attorneys, but I got a chance to meet different judges and see their experiences and insights to life.
My favorite memory of this summer internship is when one of the cases I had researched actually got the opportunity to be shown to the court, and it was really useful and helpful to determining that case.
The most significant impact that being at RLF has had on me is definitely prompting some self-reflection in me in terms of what I want to do as an aspiring lawyer and thinking about the values that I want to uphold in the future, and especially something that Adam always says, which is having a blue-collar work ethic and white-collar skill and ability.
Being an RLF intern gave me the opportunity to work on motions, go to court, participate in developing strategy for many of the cases that we have here at the firm. Seeing it in practice was a very eye-opening experience for me.
Being an RLF intern gave me the opportunity to actually work on a lot of cases and content firsthand, being able to go to court, watch all of these crazy cool legal proceedings actually in person rather than just having a conceptual understanding of what the law is. I actually got to interact with it, see it actually go down, which is very important.
I got to go to my first injunction, which was such a fun experience, and also getting to see the amazing attorneys here work in court and seeing their various personalities and their styles and really gaining hands-on knowledge of how things work in the real world.
Opportunity to really see what it's like working as a legal professional and in a real law firm, and to work with clients, to work with attorneys. It reinstated the fact that I really do want to become a lawyer in the future.
The most significant impact the RLF internship had on me was being able to see the impact that the work that the firm does has on everyday people. A lot of the clients that you see come in are people who, for example, it's their first time in the criminal justice system.
The most significant impact the RLF internship had on me was that we were able to go to court all the time and made me more comfortable in the courthouse.
So this is truly an immersive experience for our interns. Our interns are going to be matched up with one of the Rossen Law Firm attorneys, and they're going to be going deep on their cases. So usually we'll go 2 to 3 interns per attorney, and for the course of the summer, that's going to be their match, their attorney. They're going to be working on discovery, reviewing body camera footage, helping prep motions, trials, going to court, whether it's something as simple as an arraignment to a status or calendar call, like I said, or even a plea conference, motions, or trials. This year's summer internship program is on our website. Go ahead, find it, apply. Even though it's a very selective program, we take less than 5% of all applicants. I want you to apply. This is my baby. It's one of the favorite things that I've been able to build here at Rossen Law Firm. So we want you to be a part of it. We hope that you are, and we'll see you this summer.